Hi, I'm Kylie Jane and I'll be stepping you through how to create an abstract rainbow painting. I chose to paint a rainbow today because it's something I have been painting for a while since coronavirus broke out in Australia, and I really hope it brings hope to people and it's something beautiful for everyone that everyone can paint. For this project, I'm mostly using acrylic pouring paint and some signature acrylic paint. I'm using a dusty pink, titanium white, pink, coral, light purple and rose gold, then a light pink, yellow and violet colour from the signature acrylic range. I'm also using cotton water block paper, but feel free to use what you have. Let's get started. Using a soft pink, create an arch and then build this line up to become thicker and thicker. Then go in with a violet colour and paint another arch inside of the first arch. Then add a dusty pink on the outside of this and gradually build this up. Here I create a sand colour using yellow and white on my palette. Use a clean, thick brush, paint another arch outside of the pink and then build this line up. Here I create a sand colour using yellow and white on my palette and add some arches in the foreground and fill these in to become a solid shape. Then add a lighter mauve with the white and line the inside of your rainbow. Now add the coral to create a band and then outline the shape with a bit of white added to your violet. Grab the light purple now and paint the outside of the shape for your sky. Add some more white to create a gradient and paint down and out. Here I added more of the white into the other sides of the page. Go back in with the white to highlight the outside of the rainbow. Add rose gold stripes to the purple clouds. Carve out the gold to make it stand out by adding a white outline between the gold and the dusty pink. Next, I've chosen to dot in the soft pink to the outside and build up the size. Feel free here to add in or remove any of the extra details to make this work completely yours. Then you're done. We can't wait to see what you've come up with. Please hashtag Montmartre or tag us at Instagram or Facebook at Montmartre Art. We'll see you soon.